The Art of Making Holes. Written by Mike Holmes from Homes on Homes. Making holes. Sounds simple, right? But there's a lot more to it than just picking up a drill. Pick up a drill, pull the trigger, and bam, you've got a hole. But is it the right hole? But hold on, there's more to it than meets the eye. The type of hole you make can vary greatly. Whether you're hanging a picture or building a deck, knowing how to drill properly is a fundamental skill for any DIYer. It can make or break your project. Think of it like this. Every material is different. Each one has its own unique properties. Wood, metal, plastic, concrete. They all react differently to drilling. Understanding these differences is key. You wouldn't use a hammer to drive a screw, would you? The same principle applies to drilling. The same goes for drilling. Each material needs the right approach, the right tools, and the right technique. Using the wrong bit can ruin your project. That's where this guide comes in handy. It will help you navigate the complexities of drilling. We'll walk you through the ins and outs of making perfect holes in any material. From start to finish, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from choosing the right drill bit to avoiding common mistakes. You'll learn tips and tricks to make your drilling precise and efficient. So, are you ready to become a drilling pro? Let's get started. With the right knowledge, you'll be making perfect holes in no time. Know your materials: wood, metal, plastic, and concrete. Each material has its own unique properties and challenges. Before you even think about picking up a drill, you need to know what you're dealing with. Understanding the material is crucial for a successful project. Different materials require different approaches. The right technique can make all the difference. Let's break it down. Wood, a classic DIY material. It's versatile and widely used. It's generally easy to drill, but you need to watch out for splitting. Proper technique is key. Choose sharp drill bits and use a steady hand. Metal can be tricky and requires precision. It's harder than wood and can get very hot when drilled. Always be cautious. Use specialized drill bits designed for metal and consider using cutting fluid to prevent overheating. This helps maintain the integrity of the material. Plastic is generally easy to drill, but can crack or melt if you're not careful. Handle with care. Use a low drilling speed and gentle pressure. Now we're talking tough materials. Drilling into concrete requires a hammer drill and specialized masonry bits. It's a demanding task. Be prepared for dust and use safety glasses and a dust mask. Safety should always be your top priority. The right tools for the job. Drills and bits explained. Having the right tools is half the battle. When it comes to drilling, there are two main things to consider: your drill and your drill bits. Drills. Cordless drill, great for everyday tasks and portability. Corded drill offers more power for heavy-duty jobs. Hammer drill, essential for drilling into concrete and masonry. Drill bits, twist bits, versatile bits for wood, metal, and plastic. Spade bits, used for larger holes in wood. Hole saws, ideal for cutting large, clean holes for things like doorknobs. Masonry bits, specifically designed for drilling into concrete and brick. Remember, using the wrong drill bit is a recipe for disaster. Always choose the right tool for the job. Safety first. Gear up and secure your workpiece. Safety should always be your top priority when using power tools. Before you start drilling, make sure you have the proper safety gear. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes from flying debris. Ear protection. Reduce noise levels, especially when using a hammer drill. Gloves. Provide a better grip and protect your hands. Dust mask. Essential when drilling into concrete or masonry to avoid inhaling harmful dust. Once you're geared up, secure your workpiece. Use clamps or a vise to hold the material steady. This will prevent it from moving while you drill and ensure a clean, accurate hole. Now for the main event, drilling the hole. This is where precision and technique come into play. Here's a step-by-step guide to drilling in different materials, ensuring you get the best results every time. 1. Mark the spot. Use a pencil to mark the center of your hole. This ensures accuracy and helps guide your drill bit. 2. Start drilling. Hold the drill straight and apply even pressure. This helps in making a clean and precise hole. 3. Prevent tear out. To avoid splintering on the backside, clamp a piece of scrap wood behind your workpiece. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble. 4. Clear the chips. Periodically lift the drill bit to clear away wood chips. This keeps your work area clean and prevents the drill from getting stuck. 1. Mark and center punch. Use a center punch to create a starting point for your drill bit. This prevents the bit from wandering. 2. Apply cutting fluid. Lubricate the drill bit with cutting fluid to reduce friction and heat. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of both the bit and the material. 3. Drill slowly. Use a slower drilling speed and firm, even pressure. This ensures a clean cut and prolongs the life of your drill bit. 4. Let it cool. Metal can get very hot when drilled. Allow the bit to cool down between holes to prevent overheating and damage. 1. Mark the spot. Use a marker or pencil to mark your hole. This helps in achieving precision. 2. Use a low speed. Drill at a low speed and light pressure to avoid cracking or melting the plastic. This is especially important for delicate materials. 3. Support the plastic. Place a piece of scrap wood behind the plastic to prevent it from flexing. This provides stability and ensures a clean hole. 1. Mark the spot. Use a marker or a piece of tape to mark the drilling location. This helps in maintaining accuracy. 2. Set the drill. Set your hammer drill to hammer mode and install a masonry bit. This is essential for drilling into tough materials like concrete. 3. Start drilling. Apply firm, even pressure, and let the drill do the work. This ensures a clean and efficient drilling process. 4. Clear the dust. Periodically stop drilling and remove dust from the hole. This keeps the work area clean and ensures better visibility and accuracy. By following these steps, you can achieve professional results in your DIY projects, no matter the material you're working with. Happy drilling! Finishing touches. From clean edges to proper storage. You've drilled your hole, but the job's not done yet. Here are a few finishing touches. Clean up the edges. Use sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges around the hole. Remove burrs. Metal drilling can leave sharp burrs. Use a deburring tool or sandpaper to remove them. Clean the hole. Remove any dust or debris from the hole. Store your tools properly. Once you're finished, clean your drill and bits and store them in a dry, safe place. Troubleshooting. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even experienced DIYers make mistakes. Here are some common drilling blunders and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Using the wrong drill bit. Solution. Double-check that you're using the correct bit for the material you're drilling. Mistake 2. Applying too much pressure. Solution. Let the drill do the work. Apply firm, even pressure, but don't force it. Mistake 3. Overheating the drill bit. Solution. Use cutting fluid for metal drilling and allow the bit to cool down between holes. Mistake 4. Not securing the workpiece. Solution. Always use clamps or a vise to hold your material steady. Sharing your success. Join the DIY community. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of drilling. Now it's time to put your skills to the test. Tackle that DIY project you've been putting off. And don't forget to share your success. Post pictures of your projects online. Join online DIY communities. Share your tips and tricks with others. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing and by sharing your experiences with others. Conclusion: mastering the drill, one hole at a time. Drilling may seem like a simple task, but mastering it opens up a world of possibilities for DIYers. By understanding the properties of different materials, choosing the right tools, and following proper techniques, you can confidently tackle any drilling project. Remember to prioritize safety, take your time, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. So go ahead, grab your drill, and start making some holes.